Canada extends major work permit relief for IEC participants. Canada has just extended an important temporary policy that could save thousands of young foreign workers from leaving the country just to activate their next work permit. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada has confirmed that International Experience Canada participants can continue applying for subsequent IEC work permits from inside Canada. This policy was officially extended in February 2026 and will remain in place until further notice. Today, let's break down who qualifies, why this policy matters, and what it means for IEC workers already living and working in Canada. IEC participants can stay inside Canada for next permit. Under this extended policy, eligible IEC participants can now receive their next work permit mailed to a Canadian address instead of leaving Canada to activate it. Previously, many IEC workers had to leave Canada, sometimes flying back to their home country, just to complete the work permit activation process. After the 2024 flag pulling restrictions, options became even more limited, making this policy especially important for workers already inside the country. Now, as long as applicants meet eligibility conditions, they can complete the process from within Canada. Who qualifies under the extended policy? To qualify, applicants must already be physically present in Canada and currently hold a valid IEC work permit. They must also have received the letter of introduction for their next IEC participation. Applicants must submit a request through IRCC's web form before their letter of introduction expires. They must also include mandatory IRCC wording confirming their request for examination and work permit issuance from inside Canada, along with updated contact and employment details. This process ensures IRCC can verify eligibility without requiring the applicant to leave the country. Why this policy matters after flag polling restrictions? This policy became especially important after Canada restricted flag polling in December 2024. Before these restrictions, many IEC workers would exit Canada briefly, often through the US border, and re-enter to activate new permits. That option is now largely unavailable, meaning this policy provides a critical alternative for workers continuing their IEC participation. For many young professionals, working holiday participants, and international co-op workers, this extension provides stability and reduces travel costs and disruptions. Understanding the International Experience Canada program. The IEC program allows youth from 36 partner countries to work in Canada through working holiday, young professionals, or international co-op categories. Eligibility typically depends on age limits, usually between 18 and 30 or 18 and 35, depending on the country, along with general admissibility requirements. Some countries allow only one participation, while others allow 2 or even 3 lifetime participations. Because demand is often higher than available quotas, IRCC manages applications through a lottery-based invitation system. What this means for IEC workers in 2026. For IEC workers already in Canada, this extension removes a major barrier to continuing their work authorization. Instead of planning expensive travel or risking status gaps, eligible participants can transition to their next IEC permit more smoothly. This also helps Canadian employers retain trained young workers who are already integrated into the workforce. Conclusion: Canada is clearly moving toward more flexible in-country processing for temporary workers where possible. For IEC participants, this extension provides more stability, fewer disruptions, and a clearer pathway to continue working in Canada without unnecessary travel. If you are currently on an IEC permit or planning another participation, this policy could directly impact your 2026 work permit strategy. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.